How to fix iPhone network problem. If your iPhone has a network problem, for example, no signal, no service, can't connect to mobile data or Wi-Fi, then follow these steps to fix it. First of all you have to do is open the settings app from your iPhone's home screen. Once inside the settings app, simply tap on the airplane mode on, then wait for 10 seconds, then turn it off again. This quickly resets your iPhone's network connection. Once done so, all you have to do is tap on the general option available in there. Now, once inside the general, all you have to do is scroll down till the bottom and tap on the transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on the reset, then tap on the reset network settings. This will reset Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth settings, but do not delete your datas. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.